Good morning, everybody. Today we start graph coloring and its subtopic chromatic polynomial, and it's also known as chromial. Let f of g comma x be the number of different colorings of a graph G with x or fewer colors. Then it can be shown that f of g comma x will be polynomial of x. This f of gx is called chromatic polynomial of G. Now example, consider a following graph G and x number of colors C1, C2 Cx. Since A, B, C are pairwise adjacent to each other, so each of them should be assigned different colors. Now A can be assigned with x color and B can be assigned x minus 1 color and C can be assigned x minus 2 color. Therefore, G may be colored in x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 way with x or fewer colors. Therefore, f of g comma x equal to x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. This equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 2x is the chromatic polynomial of G. Now its related theorem. This is the very important theorem. Chromatic polynomial for a complete graph Kn with n vertices is f of Kn comma x equal to x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 x minus n plus 1. Complete graph means each vertex connected to each vertex. Now proof. Let the vertices of Kn be v1, v2, v3 vn, and we have x number of colors c1, c2, c3 cx. Obviously x greater than n. Since the vertices are pairwise adjacent to each other, so each of them should be assigned with distinct colors. Now v1 can be assigned with x number of colors, v2 can be assigned with x minus 1 number of colors. This is the difference between different from v1 v1 colors. v3 can be assigned x minus 2 number of colors as the color of v1 and v2 cannot be assigned to v3. Now continuing this process, we are assigned to vn, which can be assigned with x minus n minus 1 x minus 1 number of colors, that is x minus n plus 1 number of colors. So principle of counting Kn can be colored in x into x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus n plus 1 ways with x or fewer colors. Therefore we write f of Kn comma x equal to x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 x minus n plus 1. Okay. Now next theorem. This is another important theorem. The chromatic polynomial of a tree with n vertices is x into x minus 1 whole to the power n minus x into x minus 1 whole to the power n minus 1. Let G be a tree with n vertices. We shall prove its chromatic polynomial is x into x minus 1 whole to the power n minus 1. We prove this by mathematical induction. For n equal to 1, the result is obviously true. For n equal to 2, G has two vertices v1 and v2. v1 be assigned with x number of colors, so v2 is assigned x minus 1 number of colors from the collection of x colors. Therefore we write f of g comma x equal to x into x minus 1, which is proof for n equal to 2. Let the result is true for n equal to m. So we prove the result is n equal to result is true for n equal to m plus 1. Since G is a tree, so it must have at least one pendant vertex. Pendant vertex means its degree 1. Say V. Then the graph G minus V is also a tree with m vertices. So f of G minus V comma x equal to x into x minus 1 whole to the power m. Since V is a pendant vertex of G, so it is adjacent to only one vertex V dashed. So V cannot be assigned with the color of V dash. So V can be assigned with x minus 1 number of colors from collection of x colors. Therefore, f of G comma x equal to x into x minus 1 to the power m into x minus 1. So this equal to x into x minus 1 whole to the power m plus 1. Okay, thank you. Next class we start its related problem.